Now that we've covered the why of personal branding, let's dive into the how. How do you start building your personal brand from scratch? The first step is defining your unique value proposition, or UVP. This is the foundation of your personal brand. It's what makes you different and unique. Your UVP is what makes you stand out from the millions of others out there. It's more than just your job title or skills. It's about what makes you different and the specific value you bring. In You Are the Brand, I discuss the importance of deeply understanding your UVP because it forms the core of your brand. Think of someone like Marie Forleo. Her UVP is based on her motto, everything is figure-outable. It's not just about her business coaching skills, it's her empowering message and how she helps people overcome obstacles. That's what makes her stand out. It's not just her expertise, but the positive, problem-solving mindset she embodies. Here's how you can define your UVP. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What unique experiences or skills do you have that others don't? And you have to be objective in this, by the way. The next question is, how can you use these skills to add value to others? When I was building Social Awaken, my UVP wasn't just that I was good at social media. It was my passion for helping brands grow in a genuine, impactful way. My commitment to authenticity in every interaction became the core of my brand. And it's what set me apart from other agencies. People are drawn to stories. Your personal brand isn't just built on what you do, but why you do it. Sharing your journey is one of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience on a deeper level. In You Are the Brand, I stress the importance of telling your full story, not just the highlights. A great example of this is Richard Branson. His personal brand is built on adventure, risk-taking, and his willingness to embrace failure. Branson openly shares the failures he's had along the way, and that transparency makes his brand relatable. Your personal brand story should do the same. It should highlight not just your successes, but the struggles and lessons that got you there. Authenticity is the foundation of any successful personal brand. In You Are the Brand, I talk about how trying to curate a perfect image doesn't work. People connect with authenticity. They appreciate it when you're real, even if that means showing your flaws. Look at someone like Simon Cowell. He's not for everyone, but his personal brand is authentic. He's blunt and honest, and people trust him because they know what to expect. Authenticity doesn't mean trying to please everyone. It means being true to who you are and letting your audience connect with that. Now let's talk about some key takeaways. Your UVP is the foundation of your personal brand. It's what makes you stand out. Storytelling is a powerful way to connect with your audience. Share your full journey, not just your successes. Authenticity is what builds trust. Be real and your audience will appreciate you for it. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Take some time to define your UVP. What makes you unique? Write down 3 things that sets you apart from others in your field. Then, write a paragraph that tells your personal brand story, focusing on the challenges you've overcome to get to where you are today.